In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new document in Google Drive. If you need a quick and simple way to start writing in Google's cloud-based tools, this process is very easy. Creating a document in Google Drive is useful for notes, letters, reports, planning, or any kind of writing you want to save online and access from anywhere. To begin, go to your Google Drive home. Once you're there, you'll be on the main Drive page where your files and folders are stored. This is the starting point for creating most things in Google Drive, including documents, spreadsheets, and presentations. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account before continuing so your new file is saved in the right place. Next, look to the top left corner of the page and click the New button. This button opens a menu with different file creation options. It's the main place you'll use whenever you want to add something new to your drive. If you don't immediately see it, give the page a moment to fully load. After that, click on Google Docs. As soon as you select it, Google will open a brand new document in a separate tab. This document is automatically saved as you work, which is one of the biggest advantages of using Google Docs. That means you usually don't have to worry about manually saving your changes while typing. Once the new document opens, go to the top corner where it says Untitled Document. Click on that text to rename the document. This is an important step because giving your file a clear name helps you stay organized, especially if you create a lot of documents over time. Try to choose a name that makes it easy to recognize later, such as the topic, project name, or date. After you type the new name, your document title will update automatically, and that file name will also appear in Google Drive. From there, your new document is ready to use. That's all it takes to create a new document in Google Drive. Open Google Drive, click New, choose Google Docs, and rename the untitled file. It's a simple workflow, but once you get used to it, it becomes one of the fastest ways to start working online. If you're organizing schoolwork, business documents, or personal notes, this method keeps everything neatly stored and easy to access.